there is 30% chance that the demand will be what, 3 gallons. So if the demand could be 3 gallons, there is 30% chance that I'm going to make a profit of selling the whole 3, which is 2 times 3, which is what? 6. There is 30% chance of having that's $6, and that is what I'm expressing. Plus, there is another 30% chance of the demand being what? 2. So if the demand could be 2, so what will my profit look like? So if my demand could be 2, what it means that if I've allocated 3, allocation 3, and the demand was 2, it implies that I'm only going to sell 2 gallons of milk to those people that demanded. So it means that out of this 3, I'm going to sell 2, and that is, if a gallon is $2, so that will be 2 times 2, which is 4. So the remaining 1, I'm going to sell it back to the dairy. So if I sell it back to the dairy, I'm selling the remaining 1 at 50 cents. So that will give me plus what? 0.5. And there is 30% chance of this event occurring, of me making a profit of selling 2 and selling back the remaining 1 gallon. So that is what this expression is saying, which is what you are seeing here, which is 0.3 into bracket 4 plus what? 0.5. Plus, also, if I have allocated 3 to store 3, and the demand could have been what? 1. So what will it look like? There is 40% chance of having demand to be 1 in store 3. So I need to write it down, 0.4. And if the demand could have been 1, that means I'm only going to make selling 1, I'm going to get $2 for selling 1. So I'll be left with 2. So that means those 2 gallons I will need to sell it back to the dairy. And each gallon I'm going to sell it back at 50 cents. So I'm selling 2 gallons back. That will be 2 times 50 cents. So that will be 2 times 50 cents, and that will give me what? $1. So that is how I got 2 plus 1, which is this 0.4 into bracket 2 plus 1. So if you simplify this further, you see that R3 of 3, factoring all these possible demand situation, will give you what? 4.35. So if 3 gallons is available, and I can say which of the options is the best between allocating that 0, 1, 2, or 3. I want to see which of them give me the maximum profit. Allocating 0 is 0, allocating 1 is 2, allocating 2 is 3.4, allocating 3 is what? 4.35. So it means that the best allocation if 3 gallons is available is to allocate what? 3 gallons of milk.